In a world where AI meets crypto, one project is creating unstoppable momentum: WallitIQ WLTQ. Imagine combining the power of artificial intelligence with the freedom of decentralized finance. That's exactly what WallitIQ is doing. And today, it's not just a token, it's a revolution in your pocket. Currently trading at just $0.0420 in its presale, WallitIQ has already raised over $7 million, and the clock is ticking, with 45% of its total 1 billion tokens already sold. This is a rare ground floor opportunity. If you missed Bitcoin at $1 or Ethereum at $10, this might be your second chance. Now, let's talk numbers. Experts say that by the end of 2025, WallitIQ could explode to $200. Yes, from $0.0420 to $200, a mind-blowing 47,500% return. Why? Because this isn't just hype. WallitIQ is building the world's smartest crypto wallet with real-world features: AI fraud protection, biometric security, predictive analytics, and up to 180% AP in staking rewards. Plus, it's already forming major partnerships and preparing to serve up to 1 billion users globally. With a limited supply and regular token burns, demand is set to skyrocket while supply shrinks. It's the perfect recipe for explosive growth. But the story doesn't stop there. Fast forward to 2028, and analysts believe WallitIQ could hit $500 per token. That's a 100,000% increase from today's price. Think about it: just $1,000 invested now could become $1 million. With its AI ecosystem expanding into global payments, DeFi integration, and even institutional finance, WLTQ is shaping the future of money itself. Imagine a world where your AI wallet doesn't just store crypto, it helps you grow it, protect it, and spend it globally with zero friction. Of course, with great reward comes risk. Crypto is volatile, and regulations are always evolving. But WallitIQ is playing it smart with solid proof-audited contracts, military-grade encryption, and biometric logins. It's one of the most secure projects out there. Still, always remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is not a gamble, it's a strategic move in a new financial era led by AI. So here's the bottom line: WallitIQ is not just a token, it's a revolution. The price is low now, but it won't stay that way for long. Will you be the one who took action early, or the one who watched from the sidelines? The presale is live. The opportunity is real. Your move matters. Scan the QR code and join the WallitIQ revolution today. Because in 5 years, we won't be asking what crypto changed. The game will be talking about who saw it coming.